The relentless pulse of the city throbs around us, a symphony of human endeavor, a testament to our ambition. Towers of steel and glass pierce the sky, while below a ceaseless tide of humanity ebbs and flows. Yet, even amidst this concrete jungle, life in its boundless ingenuity finds a way. Look closely and you'll see them, flashes of feathers against the grey, a flick of a bushy tail disappearing behind a brick wall. A world often unseen, a parallel universe where nature's tenacity meets urban sprawl. These are the unexpected encounters, the glimpses of wildness that remind us that even in the heart of our cities, we are never truly separate from the natural world. For more amazing content, subscribe to the GlobeBit YouTube channel. As dawn breaks over the city, a chorus of chirps and tweets fills the air, a stark contrast to the sounds of human activity just beginning to stir below. The city awakens, and with it, the avian residents prepare for another day of survival. High atop buildings, pigeons, the quintessential city dwellers, ruffle their feathers and prepare for a day of scavenging amongst the urban canyons. These birds have made the city their home, adapting to its every nook and cranny. These ubiquitous birds, often overlooked, are masters of adaptation, their survival a testament to their resourcefulness. They navigate the bustling streets and towering structures with ease, but they are not alone. The city is a mosaic of avian life, each species carving out its niche. In parks and gardens, oases of green amidst the concrete, sparrows flit between branches, their cheerful songs a reminder that nature's music can still be heard above the urban din. These small birds bring a touch of wilderness to the heart of the city. Look closer, and you might spot a flash of vibrant blue, a blue jay perhaps, or even a cardinal, their presence a splash of unexpected beauty in this urban landscape. Their bright colors stand out against the gray backdrop of the city. And then, soaring high above the city streets, a red-tailed hawk circles, its keen eyes scanning the ground below for prey. These majestic birds have found a new domain in the urban skies. Once a rare sight, these raptors have adapted remarkably well to city life, their hunting grounds now extending from rural fields to the concrete jungles. They have become a symbol of nature's resilience. They nest on ledges and rooftops, their cries echoing through the urban canyons, a reminder that even in the most densely populated cities, the wild heart of nature still beats. Their nests are often hidden in plain sight. The survival of these birds in such a human-dominated environment is a testament to their adaptability. They have learned to coexist with humans, finding ways to thrive in the urban jungle. They have learned to navigate the maze of buildings, to find food and shelter in the most unexpected of places. Their ingenuity knows no bounds. Pigeons, for example, have developed a remarkable ability to digest a wide variety of food, from discarded scraps to seeds scattered in parks. Their diet is as diverse as the city itself. Sparrows, too, are opportunistic feeders, their small size allowing them to access food sources that larger birds might miss. They are quick and agile, always on the lookout for their next meal. And the red-tailed hawks? They've found that the city provides a surprising abundance of prey, from rats and pigeons to squirrels and rabbits that have also made their homes in this urban ecosystem. These predators have become an integral part of the city's food chain.
While birds rule the skies, another creature reigns supreme in the urban canopy, the squirrel. These agile acrobats, with their bushy tails and inquisitive nature, are a common sight in city parks and gardens, their antics providing endless amusement to those who pause to observe them. Watch as they scamper up tree trunks, their sharp claws finding purchase on the rough bark. They leap from branch to branch with astonishing agility, their bodies seemingly weightless as they navigate the intricate network of branches. And their daring leaps between trees, often across busy streets, are a testament to their incredible athleticism and fearless nature. But squirrels are more than just skilled climbers. They are also highly intelligent creatures, with an uncanny ability to remember the locations of hundreds of buried nuts. Their sharp memories and keen sense of smell allow them to locate their hidden treasures even after months have passed, a vital skill for survival during the lean winter months when food is scarce. In the city, squirrels have learned to exploit new food sources, their opportunistic nature allowing them to thrive in this human-dominated environment. They raid bird feeders with impunity, their acrobatic skills allowing them to access even the most cleverly designed feeders. They've also developed a taste for human food, and it's not uncommon to see them begging for handouts in parks, their cute faces and pleading eyes often proving irresistible to passers-by. But their adaptability goes beyond just finding food. Squirrels have also adapted their nesting habits to the urban environment, building their drays high in trees or even in man-made structures.
As dusk descends and the city lights begin to twinkle, a transformation takes place. A different kind of urban dweller emerges from the shadows. The raccoon, a creature of the night. These masked bandits, with their distinctive black masks and ringed tails, are masters of the night, moving with stealth and purpose. Their nocturnal habits allow them to thrive in a world largely oblivious to their presence, making the city their playground. While often unseen, their telltale signs are everywhere. Overturned garbage cans, scattered compost piles, and more. Muddy paw prints on backyard fences all point to the nocturnal activities of these resourceful creatures. They are opportunistic omnivores. Their diet as varied as the city itself, adapting to whatever they can find. Fruits, nuts, insects, small animals, and even garbage. Nothing is off the menu for these adaptable eaters. They are true survivors. Their intelligence and dexterity are legendary, making them formidable foragers. They are known for their nimble paws, which are almost as adept as human hands. They can open jars, latches, and even complex locks, much to the frustration of homeowners trying to keep them out of their trash. Their persistence is unmatched. Raccoons have adapted remarkably well to urban life, their intelligence and adaptability allowing them to exploit the resources of the city with remarkable efficiency. They've learned to navigate our streets and alleys, their sharp memories allowing them to remember the locations of reliable food sources, ensuring their survival. They've even learned to use crosswalks, waiting for the traffic to stop before crossing busy streets, showcasing their remarkable adaptability.
Often misunderstood and even feared, the opossum, with its rat-like tail and pointed snout, is actually a beneficial resident of our urban spaces. These nocturnal marsupials, the only ones found in North America, play a crucial role in keeping our environment clean and healthy. They are nature's little vacuum cleaners, their diet consisting largely of insects, slugs, snails, and other invertebrates that we often consider pests. A single opossum can consume thousands of ticks in a season, making them valuable allies in the fight against Lyme disease. They are also scavengers, cleaning up carrion, rotting fruit, and other organic debris that would otherwise attract less desirable creatures, like rats and cockroaches. Their presence in our neighborhoods helps to keep our ecosystems in balance, controlling pest populations and preventing the spread of disease. Contrary to popular belief, opossums are not aggressive animals. Their primary defense mechanism is to play possum, feigning death by going limp, drooling, and emitting a foul odor. This dramatic display, while unsettling to witness, is simply a bluff, a desperate attempt to deter predators.
The sight of a fox with its russet coat and bushy tail trotting down a city street at dusk might seem like a scene from a fairy tale, but it's becoming increasingly common in many urban areas. These intelligent and adaptable canids have discovered that cities, with their abundance of food and shelter, offer surprisingly suitable habitat. Their adaptability is key to their success in urban environments. They are opportunistic feeders, their diet consisting of rodents, rabbits, birds, insects, fruits, and even garbage. Their ability to exploit a wide range of food sources allows them to thrive in areas where other predators might struggle. They are also remarkably adept at navigating the urban landscape. Their small size and agility allow them to access areas that are off limits to larger predators, such as narrow alleys and spaces under buildings. They've even been known to use storm drains and subway tunnels as travel corridors, moving through the city unseen. Their intelligence is evident in their ability to adapt their hunting strategies to the urban environment. They've learned to exploit human behavior, taking advantage of readily available food sources like outdoor pet food bowls and unsecured garbage cans.
As we've seen, our cities are not just concrete jungles, but vibrant ecosystems teeming with life. Birds soar above our heads, squirrels scamper through our parks, and even creatures of the night like raccoons, opossums, and foxes find their place in this urban tapestry. Their presence, however, is a constant reminder of the challenges faced by wildlife in urban environments. Habitat loss, pollution, and food scarcity are constant threats, forcing them to adapt and evolve in order to survive. Our actions, both positive and negative, have a direct impact on their lives. Creating sustainable urban spaces that support biodiversity is crucial. Subscribe to the GlobeBit YouTube channel for more videos on urban wildlife and how we can make our cities more sustainable. Stay tuned for future content.